Hi dear friends, welcome to Top Education. In this session we will learn chapter 3, which is Hire Purchase System, and let's begin with it. Guys, this chapter is very easy and it's simple. Here we have to know the meaning of hire purchase first. Hire purchase means here and vendor, see, we can say him as hire purchaser. He is vendor who is selling his machine, so he is called hire purchases also and vendor also. What he is doing here means he is selling his machinery to another person or we can say as to the small firms who cannot afford that machinery. So here the small firm pays the amount in periodical, like premium types, monthly. They will pay monthly basis. So it is known as hire purchase system. And here the what we say the ownership will transfer only at the end of the year or the end of the last installment. So this is known as hire purchase system. So let's know format of all this, and I will explain you in a brief manner so you will all be able to do the sums. So let's begin with it. So guys, let's first know this accounting treatment of hire purchase from where to where we are doing. So guys, see here, calculation of interest, CB, HP and depreciation. So this, after doing this, we can do this all things. So here we are avoiding this type of question. Yes, so this is removed, and this two types of we are doing because this two types of questions are coming in examinations. So here in the books of hire purchaser and in the books of hire vendor, purchaser means who have taken the machinery, hire vendor who is selling the machinery, and we are preparing this all. Here we will prepare asset account, hire vendor account, interest account, depreciation account, and here we will prepare hire purchase account, interest account. So here 2 accounts and here 4 accounts. So let's know first format and then other things. Let's move. So guys, we are here the calculation of cash installment and interest, each installment interest. So if they have given, see here we can learn here is for A, the following is the procedure using to ascertain interest, cash price and each installment money when the total cash price of asset is given. Yes, the total cash price is given, then only we are doing this. Here first what we are doing, the cash price we are here writing down, and we are minusing the down payment, which is first installment, I think. So down payment is minus and we'll see the balance here. Then installment interest, the installment interest that will add, and the installment money payment will be minus and balance, like this all will do at the balance. So this will we can here find out like each installment interest and what is the cash price of each installment. Okay, next we also have B part. Here we have A part and B part. So here in B part, what is here means the following is the procedure used to ascertain interest and cash price of asset when no cash price asset is given. So here when no cash price is given, then we are to find out the cash price we are doing this all. Okay, so here particulars, here ulta. See guys, here we are going from first installment, but here we are going from third installment. Will less the interest, will add what? Will add that installment amount. Here it is ulta. Here what we are doing, we are adding that installment interest and minusing the installment money. Okay, this I will show you in a sum so you will be cleared. Okay, so here we'll add down payment and here we will minus the down payment. So this is how we are doing. Then we have calculation of depreciation also, because it is a machinery which are purchasing or selling. So calculation of depreciation is pakka. Say straight line method. Straight line method means same amount is taken. So for example, I can give you 1000 and 10% is depreciation. So 100 rupees, 100 rupees, 100 rupees for 3 years. Here, diminishing balance method, how means, now 1000 into 10%, 100. Okay, minus 900. So we will get 800 an answer. So upon 800 we will take depreciation. So it is diminishing balance method. Here different depreciation amounts will be seen. Here same amount of depreciation is been seen. So let's move to another page. Now here we have having as accounting treatment in the books of hire purchase. Hire purchaser, who is this hire purchaser? Who is buying the machinery, the small firm which I said. Yes guys, under asset accurate method, the accounting treatment in the books of hire purchases include both generals and ledgers. So here we have generals and ledgers both, but in examination they can ask us generals or ledgers. They will not ask both, guys. Listen this, they will not ask both, they will ask one. For if it is like they will ask only generals or ledgers. So learn both, it is too easy guys. See, okay, the following are the entries to be passed. See, when the asset is purchased, there is no general entry. Okay, live. So like this and all, when the deposit like down payment is made, a DUT will write here asset account debtor to bank account being down payment made. When the installment money becomes due, like we have to pay, so asset account debtor to interest account debtor to hire vendor account. So here being installment money due, when the installment money is paid, hire vendor, yes, the money is going to hire vendor by which cash or bank. So here being first installment money due, second installment money paid, third installment money paid, like this. When depreciation is charged on asset, depreciation account debtor to this. Now when the interest paid and the depreciation charge transfer to profit and loss account. See, the interest which is here and the depreciation, they are coming here and they are moving to profit and loss account. That's it. No mathematical and all. This is too clear, easy. Now let's move to next, that is a ledger. How will make ledger accounts? See, asset account. Asset account means all the asset prices will come here. See, first the asset is purchased, so like a down payment is made, so XXX to vendor. What we have done, first installment is given, depreciation is charged and by balance. Then again we are paying for 3 years or 2 years, so by balance brought down same, and this and we will pay installment, depreciation, and that's it. Okay, now here we will go to hire vendor account. Here what the vendor is getting. Okay, so he is getting cash by giving asset and by giving interest. His like interest is also minused. Cash balance account, this is the payment which was made, like we are doing, small firm is doing, and this all he is bearing, like he have gave his assets and he had to pay something interest, so he will pay to him. That's it. So depreciation account, same amount will come. Asset account same, profit and loss same amounts will come here. Okay, every year. Then interest account also, here also to hire vendor, profit and loss. Here to asset account, for asset we are charging depreciation, so asset. Here for whom we are paying interest, to hire vendor. So here profit and loss same. The like here see this XXX, the same amounts will come. Okay, so no this is not too hard for you guys. Okay, let's move to the next page. Guys, we are in the next page, like here hire vendor. Now we are preparing the books of hire vendor. Who is selling the book we are creating on his. Okay, under asset accurate method accounting treatment, the books have both, we have to purchase both. Here also we have to purchase both, like journal entries and ledgers. Here also guys, what I said, for 14 marks only this one can come or this one can come. That's it. And calculation of cash price and all you have to do. That is pakka. I will show you that. I will give you an example also. I will be doing some sums. So here, when asset is sold on hire purchase, so hire purchase account debtor to sales. when the deposit down payment is received, cash account debtor to hire purchaser account. When the installment interest become due, so hire purchase account to interest. And when the installment money is received, then cash bank to hire purchase. Then when the interest received, transferred profit and loss. So interest is received and profit and loss is transferred. That's it. And next here we are going to ledger accounts to be prepared. Here hire purchaser account. First we will prepare hire purchase account and see here what have been transferred. So sales had been debtor, so cash have been came here. So sales, and through which we have sold it, cash account, and interest had been came, so balance brought down, and here also same. Okay, and next we have last account, that is interest account, and interest account profit and loss ulta in the C. Here interest account hire vendor and profit and loss. Here we have profit and loss and hire purchase. Easy, no mathematics and all. Done. And same amount will come here and here, but in hire purchase here the cash price will change for each year, so it will differ. And interest also I think it is same only, but it will differ here because first year installment interest will be different and second year installment will be different. So this is all our format. We have done with our format, and now we will go to a sum, and I will be doing practically and I will show you also. So let's begin. So guys, let's start the sum. And the problem here, calculate the value of each installment and interest from the following. Calculate each installment and interest. Cash price is 60,000, down payment is 30% of the cash price. So 60,000 divided by 30 divided by 100. Okay, and 2. Okay, balance of cash price is payable in 3 equal annual installment together with interest at 5% PA on the outstanding balance of cash price. See here guys, important, with interest is installment. Learn. Okay, have a glance once more. I think cash price 60,000, down payment 30% of the cash price. Look, balance of cash price is payable in 3 equal annual installment together with interest at 5% PA per annum on the outstanding balance of the cash price. Okay, so here interest is together the installment. Okay, now let's do the solution. Yes, so what I said is correct. 18,000 is the answer. So this is our first step. Okay, now each installment also we have to calculate. So 60 minus 18, because that is first or down payment. So down payment is done, and we have here 42,000 divided by 3, that is 14,000 3 years equally. Now let's do the problem very quickly. Okay, so here is the problem. Calculation of interest, or we can say installment also, particular rupees. Cash price is 60,000 and down payment is minus, as I showed in the format. And now here we are adding first year installment interest. Interest is calculated on 42,000 into 5% you can do, or divided by 100. So answer is 2100. First year installment money is 14,000 plus 2,100. Why? This because the interest is included here. So 14 plus 2,100, that is 16,100, and this minus is balance. See, installment money should be minus and this should be plus. See, I have showed you two formats. Note down here first that third installment will come first, that is minusing the installment money. Here that is not here, that is ulta and that is ulta. Okay, so be confirm. Okay, see this video. I think you should see full this video, then only will get to know what is hire purchase system. Okay, so this all I have done quickly. And see guys, here you will get 0 while calculation of interest, and while calculation of cash price you will not get 0. Okay, so be conscious of it. And this was our second step, and now we are doing third step, that is known as a table, analytical table, which shows installment and money. Here what you have to do, take from this and put down here. First installment, how much was installment money with this interest, that is 16,100. Same here, all this total up this, and here we have to add down payment also, so we are adding 18,000 here, and total HP, total interest we have calculated same here only, total cash price here. So this is how we can get 7 marks here. Okay, so guys, have a notice on it. It will be very good, and I think you should solve this sum, then only will be able to do the sums. Okay, let's move further. Now guys, we come to 14-mark questions, and let's solve a 14-mark question. Okay, so Mr. X purchased a machine on 1st January 2010 on a hire purchase system. The cash price of the machine is 29,800. The term of the agreement provided for the payment of rupees 8,000 at the end of every year over 4 years. So 4 years. The first payment was to be made on 31st 12/10 at the rate of interest was 3%. X wrote of 10% depreciation on reducing balance system, pass necessary journal entries in the books of hire purchase. So let's begin with this sum. So first we have to do some working notes, that is calculation of HPP and total interest charge. So first we'll do total interest charge, that is 8,000 into 4 installments which are done, and the CP which is 29,800 minus we'll get this 2,200 as the total interest charge to a machinery. And next we'll go to the calculation of installment interest, each installment. Okay, each installment, that is cash price, then down payment is not given, so dash and or 0, 29,800 direct, and then we have first year installment interest, that is we will calculate by this 3 divided by 100 and answer is this, and minus. Here we will add interest and minus is installment. So by doing this and all, we will get an answer of 0 0. Okay, so we'll get answer of 0 0, and it's such a easy. This I have taught in your previous question also. So let's begin with the next is calculation of depreciation. There is RB. This you leave off. Okay, don't say this. Calculation of depreciation. Here what they said in how we have to depreciation on reducing balance method. So depreciation is charged on this and this. Okay, so how it is charged, 29,000 and 10%. Okay, minus, both minus, this will get, so this 10% here answer, both minus will get answer. Here same 10% here answer minus answer. Okay, so this is the net balance. Last year we'll get this much of answer. So this is how we do depreciation. Okay, so let's move to the table analysis. Table analysis means all together you have to put down everything like number of installment money, interest, cash price and depreciation. So this total will write here. And here we don't have down payment, so dash dash and equal answer. And the final thing of this 14-mark question is passing general entries. How will pass general entries means, here only this, how much, 4 entries you should know, the whole sum is easy. See, machinery account debtor to interest account debtor to hire vendor account. Okay, so machinery is purchased, the CP of here, see this CP and this interest, and total we have 8,000. Okay, and hire vendor, how much we have paid to hire vendor, 8,000 being interest installment paid, being installment due paid. Depreciation and machinery, depreciation charge on machinery, so this is a depreciation which we have calculated for first installment, that we are writing down here. Okay, and equal Then profit and loss account it out to depreciation and interest. Depreciation, take depreciation, interest you take interest, and total it up, this answer. So this is how the 14 marks is done. And for each and every entry we will have this type of thing. We have to continue. See, I have here written repeat for the 3 times again for the general entries, and amount will be different. Amount will be different with this amounts we have to put down. Why this analytical table is done? Because of here we have to get calculation of each and every thing. So we will get all things. So this is how we have done. So guys, we have forgotten one more sum that is on ledgers, and we have to do it because it's a very important question. It may be arrive in your examinations also. So let's begin with it. So here I have some analytical tables. You can see, guys. Yes. So installment 20,000, 23,000, 22,000, 21,000. Interest we have charged. First year interest is not paid because it is down payment. So 3 years we are preparing. So here let's see how it's done. So in the books of Sri Shruguna Transport Co. Motor lorry account asset. So it is machinery account which is prepared here. So let's see. So cash in bank, down payment is done. So this we have taken here. Okay, down payment. This from Tata to Tata Co. we have paid to Tata 20,000. So 20,000 we have written here, and depreciation is also charged. So that is also minus. That is 8,000. Balance brought down. So this is less, so here 32,000. So guys, here also in second installment see brought down, and 20,000 installment minimum rent we are paying. Oh no, this is cash. Okay, cash price here, and depreciation as well as charge and brought down, same thing. So here you will pass down the a cash price paid and the depreciation which is charged. And then we have Tata Motor Company. Here Tata Motor Company means, let's know first what is this Tata Company. So guys, yes, the Shruguna Transport Company purchased a motor lorry, and okay, motor lorry from, so he is hire vendor. Okay, so we are giving him, that is this C. Okay, installment money we are paying him every year. Okay, and we are giving him interest also with interest. So cash price is 20,000 and interest is 30. We are paying to him. So this 2 will come here and total it up. This 2 will come here, total up. Same thing. What here we are taking means this amount we are taking with this both interest, okay, here, and depreciation as well as, see here, depreciation all that on the here motor lorry account, and profit and loss like same, and amount will differ. And interest also here Tata Motors and profit and loss, Tata Motors and profit and loss, and this. Okay, so this much is the sum, which okay. Any doubts can be cleared from Top Education. So guys, like there should be a like to this video, because okay, and have a look on these questions and all, and this is an extra question which was done by me. It's not too important, so I have left it out, and this is the sum which we have continued that day. And your hire purchase system is completed here only. So thank you guys. Please share to your best friends who are in need of this types of videos. So please help them, and like our channel, subscribe Top Education. Thank you.